Welcome to our group presentation about store order management system. In this session, we will go through four main parts, including introduction, process description, implementation, and demo application. For your concern, we have four members with their important roles. To begin with, our application will develop for two main roles, customer and admin. For customer, we allow users the ability to generate order as well as manage their information on their own. For admin, user could manage store products, keep track of all order information, including customer and the list of port items. I would like to invite Ngọc for the next part.
Hi, so for the project description, firstly, by using different objects, customer, products, and order, we were able to group relating attributes and methods together. Next, we learned to apply the encapsulation principle by using private attributes to prevent outside alteration. Next, the static keyword is used to create class methods. Furthermore, as the project requires the extensive use of storing and displaying information, we utilize the scanner inference writer while creating methods that generate and display customer products and orders. Furthermore, we implement hash map to store products and their corresponding quantities as key value pairs to efficiently search items and add quantity. Lastly, in terms of input handling, we add throw exceptions in case the input is negative or is in the wrong format, along with the while loops for the user to re-enter the correct input. So now it's Plum's part.
Okay, the next section is the implementation details, and all application have two main roles, the admin and the customer. And firstly, I will discuss about the admin features of the store. And to get access to the admin features, you have to log in using their username and their password. After login successfully, admin is able to view all the product or detail, customer and members from the store. In addition, admin can manage the product, category, and customer from the store by adding, removing, or updating. In order to keep track of the store activities, they can check the order information that has been made or specifically in a day. And finally, is the statistic operator allowing admins to monitor the store revenue, the most and list of the product, participate customer, and the number of customer from different membership. Okay, so that is the end, the admin features, and then we'll guide you through the customer features.
Next, I will introduce about customer features. First, the customer can register new account and login. After login, the customer can update account information and check their current membership status. Moreover, the customer can use search product and sort products function to get all the details about the product so they can make a right choice before making any purchase. In addition, customer can create order, file order details, and display previous orders. Next, I will show a demonstration for our lab application.
Okay, thank you, Tiến. And this is our project demonstrations. And me and Tiến will go through the admin features first. Okay, when to the one or application, we ask to type in the role, and I will choose admin. Log into my account. And now that I have logged in successfully, I will have a total of 17 features from the admin. And I will guide you through from feature 1 to feature 10. The first feature is to view the information about the products. The two can view a description of the order that each member have made. Number 3, you can view the personal information of the members inside the store. Okay, number 4, you can add a new product to the item file. Okay, the name of the new product has to be different from the existing product. If I type Marshall, there will be an error. Say item 14, and the price of the product has to be in double or integer value, typing string and being errors, and the similar is with a negative value. 14, the carry is phone. It's 2022. Okay, now iPhone 14 has been added. We move on to feature 5, which is to remove an existing product. From the name, I can choose iPhone 14. Okay, now iPhone 14 has been removed from the item file. Now we have feature 6, which is to add a new category inside the category file. You can choose a monitor. The monitor and for the 7 features we have can remove in the category. Choose monitor. Okay, now motor category has been removed. Move on to feature H, which is the updating price for the product. Okay, I would choose Marshall. The new price will be 60. Now the Marshall have the new price of 60. Okay, for feature 9, we can display the order from the customer ID. I choose customer ID number 4. You can see in the description of the customer number 4. Okay, feature 10, we change the status of the order. We change the status from delivered to paid. And you can see the order number 2 is made by customer number 4. And customer number 4 is now has 0 total spends and the normal membership. And if we change the order number 2, it will update the, okay, you can see it now changed to paid, and the customer number 4 is now updated with the new total spend and the new membership of platinum. Therefore, the remaining features, Dean will help me to guide you through them.
And I would like to demo the rest of admin feature from feature 11 to 17. For the feature 11, I would like to remove the customer ID. As you can see from the customer test file, the second customer good will be deleted immediately. The next feature 12 is to calculate the store total revenue. As you can see from the order test file, only order have stated pay is calculated. For the order have the stated is delivered would not be calculated to the store total revenue. The next feature 13 is quite similar to the previous one, but the difference between them is you need to input a validate date. In case you input a day like this, the system would like to prompt an error message, and you could try again with another one. The next feature 14 is list current most popular product or the list popular products. As you can see from order test file, Marshall has 2 items in the first order, 3 items in the second order, and 2 items in the third one. The next feature 15 is find who pays the most in the store, and as you can see from the customer test file, Anthony Zin, who have a platinum membership, pays the most with a 7.5 million VND. The next feature lists the number of different types of membership, and as you can see from the customer test file, each membership type has only one member, so the system bring out the same result at the customer file. Last but not least, it displays information of order on a particular day. As you can see from the order test file, only 2 orders were created on the 11th of January could be displayed. Thank you, and Dean will present the customer role feature.
Demonstrate customer feature. First, they need to choose to register or login. To register, they need to enter their name and email. If the user enter wrong format for email, they need to enter it again. And the address. The phone number needs to contain 10 numbers. If it's wrong, they need to enter it again. And the user need to enter a unique username. If the username has already used, they need to choose another username. And the password. Now the user are ready to log in. I will go to feature 1 and 2. The feature 1 is update account information. I will choose to change their name. Enter new name. Here the name has been changed. And feature 2. Here you can see that the current membership status is normal. This is the end of my part. The next remaining feature will be guided by Ngọc.
Okay, so thank you, Dean. Now I'm going to demo the rest of the customer features. So if the customer wants to view all the stored products, they can enter 3. If they want to search for a product, they can enter 4. If the category is not found, there will be a message. And if the customer leaves the minimum and maximum price empty, the default value will be 0 and positive infinity. So here's a message, but for testing purpose, now I'm going to enter the maximum to be, here, maximum to be 7. Okay, so only one phone matches. Next, customer can also sort products, either ascending or descending order. If the input is not 0, 1, there will be message to notify them. And when I enter 0, the price of the product will increase here. And customer can also create order. So they can base on the title. And if they want to continue to buy this product, they can choose yes, and they can enter the quantity here to be the quantity adding to the previous quantity. And also they can buy other products normally. Here, for example, when they decide to end the shopping process, they will be asked for the shipping address. And here, after finish that, there will be like an order detail and Marshall has been added. So next, they can, based on the order ID, to find like the order details anytime they want to. Lastly, they can choose to view all the orders they've made here. There are a few of the orders. So that's pretty much it. And that's also the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.